My name is SHRUTHALI. I am from first year AIDS Department of Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachal, Mangalore. This is the workshop of innovation and design thinking. Startup company proposed name is Vision Goal. Product present name is CCTV. Product proposed name is Eagle Eye Security. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, it should provide emergency signal through sound with clear appearance, weatherproofing and privacy masking. Second point is real-time anomaly detection, where the CCTV systems can automatically identify unusual or suspicious behavior and alert security personnel. This could help in proactively preventing incidents before they escalate. Define, based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is CCTV. Futuristic product name is Eagle Eye Security. Ideas, some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First point is 360-degree coverage. Future CCTV cameras could offer complete 360-degree coverage, eliminating blind spots for comprehensive surveillance. Second point is biometric authentication. Integration of biometric authentication such as fingerprinting or iris scanning for access control and identify verification. Third point is smart object tracking. Enhanced object tracking capabilities using AI for automatic tracking of people or objects of interest with the camera's view. Fourth, and gesture recognition. Ability to recognize gestures for hands-free control of CCTV systems or to trigger specific actions like alerts or zooming. Prototype. In this prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. This is the sketch of the CCTV. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage.